Hello viewers, welcome to my channel. Have you ever asked yourself that oxygen which we take in to live, from where it came? In earth atmosphere. Most of you will reply that it was already present in earth atmosphere. आप लोग सब लोग यही कहेंगे कि जो ऑक्सीजन है वो अर्थ के एटमॉस्फेयर में पहले ही से प्रेजेंट थी, बट आंसर इज़ नो. देयर was no oxygen in earth atmosphere earlier. Okay, 4 to 5 billion years ago, what was present there? Only gases like ammonia, carbon dioxide, methane and water vapors. And these gases came from where? From volcanic eruption. There was a lot of volcanoes on the earth's surface earlier. Okay, the earth was called ball of fire because there were many volcanoes and they kept erupting, producing all these gases. And in the early atmosphere there was no free oxygen at all, and atmosphere was at that time, it was very thick, cloudy and poisonous and unfit for life. Okay, then what happened next? Earth slowly cooled down and then the water vapors condensed to form rain, and it rained continuously for millions of years, and by this continuous rain ocean were formed. कि लगातार लाखों वर्षों तक बारिश होने के बाद जो ये पानी है वो ओशन के रूप में इकट्ठा हो गया अर्थ सरफेस पर. देन द वाटर ऑफ ओशियंस, large amount of carbon dioxide which was present in atmosphere, it was absorbed in the water of oceans, and this reduced carbon dioxide concentration in earth atmosphere. And then nitrogen was present in abundance. Okay, and ammonia gas which was produced in volcanic activities, it split into hydrogen and nitrogen. And hydrogen being lighter gas, ये हल्की गैस होती है, it escaped into space, ये कहाँ चली गई? स्पेस में, अंतरिक्ष में. and nitrogen stayed in atmosphere of earth, forming a major part of earth atmosphere. नाइट्रोजन ज़्यादातर धरती पर ही रह गई. and now come to the entry of oxygen in earth atmosphere. Okay, meet cyanobacteria, the earliest life forms on earth and minute living organisms. Okay, who changed everything and made earth atmosphere full of oxygen. How? Let us understand. These cyanobacteria, first living form on earth, they used sunlight to perform photosynthesis and releasing oxygen as a byproduct. And this oxygen did not freed in atmosphere, ये atmosphere में नहीं गई ये oxygen, but reacted with the iron content of ocean's water. And now turning point, after millions of years oxygen finally began to accumulate. धरती के एटमॉस्फेयर में ऑक्सीजन इकट्ठा होने शुरू हुई, and this marked a major turning point known as great oxygenation event. इस तरह से हमारी धरती पे ऑक्सीजन प्रोड्यूस होना शुरू हुई. These are the events in bringing oxygen to atmosphere to make life possible. Okay, hope this knowledge will be helpful to all of you and you would have find it interesting too. So then like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.